Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the screen unknown senders. That means if you enable this screen unknown numbers, then you can see a separate info inbox for the messages from the unknown senders. Let me show you. Go to inbox, messages, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right side, tap on unknown senders. So here you can see all the messages from unknown senders you can see here. Okay, so let me show you how to enable this one. Simply open messages application, tap on three horizontal lines, tap on manage filtering. So here you can see screen unknown senders. This is enabled. So if you enable this one, it will hide notification and move messages to the unknown senders list. So simply in this way we can enable screen unknown senders on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.